Senator buying the claim of controversial businesswoman Janet Lim Napoles that she is not the brains of the pork barrel scam. The senators are also pushing for a resumption of the Blue Ribbon Committee investigation into the irregularity. Details from Sam Ramirez.
The so-called pork barrel queen Janet Lim Napoles has categorically denied that she is the mastermind and architect behind the misuse of 10 billion pesos worth of Priority Development Assistance Fund or PDAF. In her sworn and signed affidavit, Napoles said she is not the most guilty, claiming that she does not have the necessary skill, knowledge, nor authority to be the brains behind such scam. She added it was the lawmakers and their agents who come to her and dictate how much kickbacks or commissions they would receive. In her affidavit, she said she started to be involved in the pork barrel business after meeting then Congressman and now Budget and Management Secretary Butch Abad. In 2000, Napoles said she met with Abad in a posh hotel along EDSA. Abad told her about a project worth 10 million pesos and what it was for. Napoles said she lent 4 million pesos to Abad and it was him who provided the NGO for the said project because Napoles did not have an NGO at that time. Several senators react to the affidavit of Napoles.
It's for you to judge. Kayo ba naniniwala doon sa sinasabing yun?
Sabi din naman niya, mabait daw siyang tao at hindi siya manloloko. Siguro obvious na yung kasagutan doon.
Sa affidavit, lumalabas, biktima pa ngayon si Ms. Napoles. Para bang ang lumalabas, politiko lumapit sa kanya, hindi totoong may NGO siya. Tinailor fit pa rin niya, inayos pa rin niya yung affidavit para palabasin na hindi siya ang nagmainubra nito. Siya ang negosyante, siya ang lumalapit.
They called on the Blue Ribbon Committee to resume their probe and invite Napoles back to the Senate. Meanwhile, BRC Chairperson Teofisto Gingono III has decided to wait for the soft copies of principal whistleblower Benhur Luis records believed to outline transactions between lawmakers and Napoles. For the People's Television, Sam Ramirez.